see something on the floor, pick it up and put it in the bin. Hey guys, welcome from, oh the lighting is terrible, welcome from Sweden. I am currently here for, I was here last night, but guys, the fucking shit I had to go through. Oh, hang on. The shit I had to go through getting to Sweden. Not even getting here. Flight was great, everything was calm. I was having some issues in the airport, but nothing to do with my flight. Well, that's a whole, if you know about my whole bag situation, you know, like leaving my bag in Norway and all. Anyway, so what was I gonna say? My room, so I actually know a much smaller room. I do not like this hotel, I'm sorry, I don't like it. I wouldn't recommend. My other hotel, if you've seen my like content, I love that hotel. The Radisson Red, yeah, I'm never staying in this hotel again. Like they have like a whole spa thing. I'm thinking it's included. Bitch, ain't included. And like every hotel spa I've been to has been included. Why is this £50 to enter? Are you okay? I'm gonna see if they have any like massages or anything, but I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I changed rooms because there was a bug in my room. I was like, no, changing rooms. And then they give me a smaller room with a bigger bed. Make it make sense. Anyway, I was so tired by the time I arrived. Like my Uber just didn't want to come. Like so I ended up paying £15 more than I would have. It's just irrelevant. Anyway, complaining over. I've just done my makeup. I just filmed for you guys. Because yeah, your girl is doing content. So the view from my hotel is absolutely terrible. The view from my other hotel is great. This view, like what is this? And this is all the hotel, by the way. Like, the hotel is absolutely massive. I had to literally walk down 3 long ass corridors. I'll show you guys when I go out. Irrelevant. Anyway, so I'm literally about to film something for TikTok. I'm about to film something for TikTok and then head out. We're gonna go for a walk. We're gonna go to that Grand Slam, I don't know what it's called. We're gonna go there. About a 45-minute walk. We're gonna walk right back, because I ain't taking no more taxis. I ain't spending no more money. The fuck, I have spent so much fucking money. Like, things that happened in Finland really pissed me the fuck off. Spending money I didn't want to spend, but yeah. Keep it fucking moving.
Slide on a real one. On my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted $1 million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. When I'm in it, I got you going, oh. I can't even help it.
So let's finally get the fuck out of here. It is, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is. 12 minutes past 3, which is quite late, don't get me wrong. What, 3 hours before the sun sets. Anyway, let's go. Do everything, my phone, my camera, my room key, my phone. That's all I need. Cause I ain't got no debit cards. Who has debit cards? Also, safety tip: always leave your do not disturb even when you're going out. I don't need my room being cleaned. Normally when I'm in a hotel anyway, but anyway, like I said, this is the first corridor, right? So we're heading out. I need to get something to eat, by the way, because I haven't eaten since breakfast. This is the second corridor, right? So this is the second corridor, all the way down. We haven't hit the third one yet. We ain't hit the third one yet. Wait. This is the third one. Still walking down these long ass corridors. Keep going. So yeah, keeps going. until we get here. And at night time it's very creepy. Oh, I get all sorts of colours in this video. So yeah, we're gonna head down in the lift. Oh, and also my hotel's under construction. This is the view from here. My other room has a much better view as well. Oh, it's snowing. Oh, lovely. So my other room had a much better view. So thank goodness no one in here. Anyway, so I'm gonna head down. Actually no, let's head down to the bar. I don't know if it'll let me head down there. Oh my god, this has to be the most expensive spa I've ever been to. I've been to some bougie ones before. Anyway, it's quite bougie when you come down here compared to the rest of the hotel. It's like, actually not even expensive. I think just because of the price difference, it makes it seem more expensive than it is. I'll have to like do a currency conversion. But anyway, we're gonna head to get some food, head down to the place that we're waiting to see, and then come back, and then the police will go to the not even that far. So guys, this is not for the weak of heart, but it's absolutely stunning. It's snowing, by the way. Like, it's so cold compared to the other countries I've been to. I don't want people to look at me weird, but people are gonna look at me weird anyway. These buildings are stunning. I'm walking somewhere to get food. Hang on, I need to cross the road. I forget. I need to look left then right, left, I don't know. Yeah, left then right, or right then left. Me, my British self. Yeah, this is my left, this is my left. I don't know, I'm confused. Look at this building. Like the architecture is unreal. So I'm actually using my Google Maps again, my Google Live. Yeah, so let's get something to eat. I've had to do my scarf up because the wind keeps blowing my head down and making my head cold, so we can't have that. Plus, like I said, it's really cold. Got my gloves on, everything. I haven't really needed to wear that in the other countries, but we keep it moving. There's not much snow on the ground either, if any. So, like I said, let's keep it moving. I am so hungry. I'm hangry, like hangry, you know. Anyway, let's go, and I'll let you know when I'm there. Oh my god, guys! So look at this building. What a beautiful building. She's like, miss, what are you doing? Yeah, the building is stunning. It's focusing a lot on my face, but I wonder if anyway. So yeah, I saw that. By the way, I'm still using my Google thing, I think. Am I on the right? Yeah, I'm on the right one. I need it to like tell me which way the arrows need to go. So yeah, like I said, look at, you can't really see the snow, but it's snowing. Not like crazy. But yeah, we're heading to this place. Gotta keep following the maps. But yeah, there's a lot more people here than I would have thought. If I see something I prefer, I'm gonna pick that instead. But as of right now, we're heading to a burger place. I'm gonna put my clothes back on because it's fucking cold. It's cold like no one's business. Yeah, so anyways, I'll catch you guys up in a bit. I just thought I'd show you that because it looks so cute. Guys, in the UK we don't have 7-Eleven, and they have it here. Like, that's so weird. Like, I've never been to a country where we've actually seen that. Let me cross the road before I can't cross for another like 10 years. I've never seen a 7-Eleven before in my life. That's so interesting. I feel like that's good for the memories. How am I acting like a kid? Am I okay? No, I'm not. I basically just got to walk straight for the next 10 minutes. Let's see, Joe and the Juice is popular out here. We have like one in London, and then at, yeah, oh, they have Pokey. I might get Pokey instead. you know, let's see what their menu is saying, because it looks a lot more nice. So I ended up coming to a like more healthy place, just because obviously like I've been eating so bad. So I'm at this healthy place. I'm gonna take it off. So I got a poke bowl. So it's got with the red cabbage, edamame, chicken, carrots and rice, a bit of rice, with sesame seeds on top. Being healthy. Yeah, I'm at this.
Tell me that you want it. Little baby, you a 10. Can I run it back again? Laid up, we paid up and faded on top of it. Ain't really used to this, I ain't never has. From the bare minimum, we doing lavish. I was down bad, really acting like I had it. You seen right through it, knew I was catting up. Still let me hit it till you cashed out, it adding up. Lately, been adding up. What you want, I'm activated.
When I say it's an understatement of it being clean, yeah, like I witnessed someone like see something on the floor, pick it up and put it in the bin, and it weren't their trash. It had nothing to do with them. Like, mad. You will never catch someone doing that in the UK. Never. Like, guys, this snow has started coming down like wildfire, but I'm adamant to get to my location. So it's a 30-minute walk, about 5 minutes in. I don't even can see any of that, but it's snowing like crazy. I'm gonna put my camera away so it doesn't get damaged. And of course we have, oh wait, hang on.
What you want, I'm activated. When you looking at me with the minds hella captivated. Know you had you a long day, you agitated. I can get you off no medication, have you elevated. Can't fix the world, but I bet I fix that attitude. Mood on Big 10 when I fall through, it's all you. Slide through the town by the lake shore. Used to ride tank to the...
Oh my goodness. Okay, so this sightseeing trip is an absolute art fail. My extensions are soaked. It's fine, like, you know, we might get an Uber there tomorrow and just see what's going on, but guys, it's so full on fucking blizzard. Like, my legs are frozen. I'm gonna go to like this hotel thing and get an Uber back to my hotel, because my hotel's like a 45-minute walk. Fuck this, and no thank you. We'll see what happens with dinner tonight. I'm not sure, but the water's over there. Hang on, I was supposed to go over there, but that didn't happen. You can't even see anything, and it's so cloudy because of the snow. So I'm gonna go over here, get Uber, and you know, yeah, we'll try and get an Uber. We shall see. Hey guys, hang on. Hey guys, so what the fuck? You saw that weather, it went from like 0 to 1,000 in about 5 minutes. The weather storm came in very, very quickly, and I was not prepared for that. I did not expect it to snow today. I probably should have checked the weather, let's be honest. But my dumbass said no. I curled my hair, no, it's straight again, because the snow said, we're gonna melt your curls, whatever. So that was Sweden. I hope tomorrow's a little bit better. They said today should be the only day. Well, that's what my cab driver said, to be honest. How much should I pay for the taxi? £11. 1 second, my sister's like worried. Yeah, I have travel insurance and my hotel has food, so it's not really a problem. Plus I have a mini bar in my hotel. So there goes all my plans, all my thing. I'm gonna book into my flight just so I can keep track of it and see if we are flying off. We should do, because I feel like they're really prepared. Like when I got on my plane from Finland to Sweden, they like blew these like big things, like they put like mad the ice on it and it went everywhere. If you see my you probably have no context if you have not seen my TikTok. I'm so sorry. So I'm just gonna chill in the room, crack open one of these bottles and drink. I'll probably go down, I'm not quite hungry at the moment, but I'll go down to the bar later and eat some dinner because I can't fucking go nowhere. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying this vlog. It's a bit thanks Sweden. To be honest, no one knew this weather was coming. Even when I checked the weather, it weren't supposed to snow. It was actually supposed to be clear skies the entire trip in all 3 countries, which wasn't the case. But you can't predict weather that well. Sometimes it just does what it's gonna do and just gotta deal with it. Anyway, I'm gonna edit videos, do voiceovers. I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah, so I will chat to you guys in a little bit, update you guys what I'm gonna do. Whoa, that went dark. Okay, so let me get up. So it is currently like 8 o'clock and I forgot, basically dinner, like their kitchen closes at 9:30. It is just before 7:30 and I'm sorry, hang on, I was trying to say that basically dinner, the last orders, the kitchen closes at 10. No, it doesn't, it closes at 9. Look at what this snow did to my hair. Can't even tell, but it's basically a hot mess. So I'm gonna sort this out, go downstairs and get some food. It is cold in here, like, and there's no like heating in here. There's heated floors. We've got like a mini heater, so I'm gonna put that on and let that heat up the room whilst I'm down there because it's cold. And it's definitely gotten colder because it's a fucking blizzard. But they give you in the hotel, they give you a mini heater anyway. Oh, is that the one I have at home? Literally the exact fucking same. I'm done. 1 second. Oh yes. All the way up because it's cold. Anyway, I'm going to eat and much better like I'm gonna go eat and I'll take you guys with me because why the fuck not. But I'm not taking my mic, so if the audio changes, I'm so sorry. I'm not kind of sorry. So I'm just excited to have a microphone. I probably am going to film later tonight as well because I'm thinking if I want to put 3 videos out a week, the 6 videos I'm going to have is just not enough. What am I looking for? My shoes. My fucking circles like an idiot. Anyway, I'll see you guys then. Bye. It's currently the outside of my hotel. I mean, it doesn't look that bad and it stopped snowing currently. So, oh no, that's cold.
Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. Yeah, baby, you a 10. Wait a minute, I got you going.
So as you can see, it is absolutely stormy out there. Like the snow is just doing the most. I don't know what to say. So look at the candlelight. This is candlelight, by the way. I feel like I'm in some medieval kind of, like setting. But what can I say, guys? Like no one can be going out there. It is horrendously fake, which I don't mind eating in the hotel. Obviously, you know, you can't be something crazy to try to cuisine. But it's fine. I always have Croatia and like my other solo trips, and obviously I want to get my surgery, so we'll see how it goes. That's
like on a real one. Oh my mama, I got you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. Wait a minute, I got you going. I can't even help it. I don't think I want to know that I've been on you. Tell me that you want it. Little baby, you a 10. Can I run it back again? What we doing? I've been on you long time, I'ma prove it. You let me ride tides and I always keep it fluid. Anything going stupid, I be tripping if I lose it. I get you so high, have you jet lag. We can skip town, get your rest back. Vacating it out and blowing jetpack. Show me one more time, nothing you best at.
Okay guys, I'm going to use my mic because they are drilling and it doesn't seem to stop anytime soon. But I'm going to end this vlog here just because it's going to be chaos from here on out, just because carrying all the bags and getting in and out of the Uber and getting to the airport and going to security. There's just no point, you know guys know how it is. I've vlogged it enough. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos, these vlogs, these travel vlogs. It's not stopping anytime soon, but I is taking a little bit of a break before I go to Croatia. Crazy vlogs in between, you know me, consistency queen. And now that I feel like I've got my camera, got into the swing of editing, I feel like I can
town, get your rest back. Vacating it out and blowing jetpack. Show me one more time, nothing you best at. Yeah. One more time, but you at sun.